Kieran eating cat food for a 6-pack of beer.
Cat food.
6-pack for a whole can of cat food.
Jesse.
No, I need my water.
That's cool. Jesse's eating Kieran's eating cat food.
Can't. Come see.
This is so flavorless. I don't even know how cats like this shit.
What is that?
Want some?
What is that?
It's cat food.
I'm almost done.
I can't wait to show this to Matt.
Victory's almost mine.
Oh my god, to the TV later with Matt.
Oh. Holding back the gag reflex, something Pierce.
Remember, you have to get the whole can in you to get your 6-pack.
Oh my god. So filthy.
Hey, stop.
Last couple bites. He's good. I'm impressed.
Ugh.
I'm a weak person. I would have puked long ago. I don't have the desperate alcoholic tendencies you have, Kieran.
Oh.
This is priceless. This is so worth a 6-pack of cheap beer.
Oh. 2 more bites. 2 more bites. I got my 6-pack.
Lori, last bite. Last bite coming up. He's on his second last bite. Oh, that was a big gag. Play by play.
Too short. Oh, it's come back my battery died. Damn!
Okay, last bite. Here we go. The finishing, the nice finale. Nice clean bowl. Look at that clean bowl. That is one clean bowl. Holy shit. Come on, last bite. Get her in ya. Oh, that's how you do. That's how you do. Right there, clean bowl. 1 whole can of cat food. Kieran has earned himself a 6-pack. Do you have any finishing words there, champ?
Oh, God, that was so filthy. I would not recommend this to anybody, not even starving African children, or anybody, anywhere.
So you agree that now you should be known as a prawn?
Yeah, District 9. I don't know how they could like this shit. So, oh, I need more water.